everyone. I am Tanuja Raj, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Manna Thirumalai College. So today we will be dealing about market segmentation on Principles of Marketing chapter. So in this chapter we will be discussing about introduction, meaning, definition, benefits and characteristics of market segmentation. So first introducing the concept of market segmentation. So market segmentation is based on one fundamental truth, that is markets are heterogeneous. That means customers are different based on their income, taste, lifestyle, buying behavior, etc. So when we take an example about market segmentation, let's think about smartphones. Apple targets premium consumers who are ready to buy goods and services which are very costly, whereas Samsung covers multiple segments. So instead of selling one product to everyone, companies divide consumers into smaller groups, which is called as market segmentations. So here a detail in picture is being given about understanding how market is being segmented. So when we take sports product is mainly focusing on the younger generations who are willing to work on it, whereas luxury products will be advertised to consumers who are ready to buy, who are above the middle class income groups. So this is how a market is being segmented so that it will be easy to reach the consumers. So next, meaning and definition. So meaning of market segmentation. So market segmentation means dividing a large market into smaller groups of customers with similar needs. So whereas in definitions, according to William J. Stan, it says that market segmentation, it is the process of dividing a heterogeneous market into homogeneous submarkets. So also it can be explained as a group of similar customers together so we can serve them better. So the main motto of market segmentation is that dividing the customers, a group of customers, and we can sell them better about having the same criteria or characteristics among the consumers. Next. So this is how market segmentation is being divided between subgroups, heterogeneous group and homogeneous groups. So when we take a heterogeneous group, we divide the people based on two categories. That is, in a heterogeneous group, some will be sports persons, some will be luxury shoppers, some will be a tech lovers. So according to this, the market is segmented and the product is being sold to them with a particular marketing techniques. So next, benefits of market segmentation. So the first one is adjustment of a product and marketing appeal, that is better product design. Companies can design product based on customers' needs. Example, Nike designs separate shoes for athletes and casual users. Second point, better position to spot marketing opportunities, that is identifying the opportunities. That is segmentation helps find and meet the needs. For example, nowadays vegan, that is vegetarian food is being rising because companies like to plant-based brands emerged. So for that, better portion of spot marketing opportunities is created. And third one is allocation of market budget. So that means efficient market budgeting. When we know that what your consumers are, particular consumers, we can allocate our budget specifically to promote a product to themselves. That is, instead of wasting the money on everyone, companies target specific groups. Like example, Instagram ads will be target only young users, not adult users or middle age users. Only Instagram market will be focusing on young users. Next one, fourth one, making competition effective, that is making advantage in the competition. Like different strategies for different segmenter will be implemented. For example, Amazon uses personalizations, that is you will get a notifications over the above, like recommended for you. So that is personalization of marketing. And fifth one is effective marketing programs. That is, companies they will include effective programs for their particular consumers to market the product. Like when consumers feel understood, they stay loyal. When a company understands your emotions, your characters while buying a product, when they understand the consumer, the consumer will feel that they are being valued, so they became loyal to that product. Sixth one, evaluation of marketing activity. That is, companies can check which segment performs better. So it will be making easy for the companies to analyze their marketing strategies, segments, whether the division of the consumers is being effective, whether we are traveling in a correct path, if anything need to be changes. So these things will be very easy for the companies when the marketing strategy is based on market segments. And seventh one is increase the sales. So in increase sales, it mainly focuses on serving specific needs of increase conversions. Like only a particular group will be focused, so there will be no disturbance in the marketing strategies or something. So the next concept is characteristics of market segmentation. So first of all, a good segment must have these all 5 qualities. That is, homogeneous within the group, heterogeneous between the groups, measurable, accessible and actionable. Like example, when we take student versus working professional, the need of the student and a working professional will be different. Product category, what type of product they use, they seem, that will be very different. When we take, let's take women, a girl studying college, she will be more focused on buying products like beauty care products, health care products or dresses, like that. When we take a women, like a married family women, their buying behavior will be focused on a product which is benefited for all family members. So this is how a market is being segmented. So the first segmentation of the market will be based on homogeneous and heterogeneous. Like we will be dividing, first we will be categorizing the consumers based on the character traits, personal behavior, everything will be clubbing up in a specific group, and we will take a specific group from it. Like we will be dividing 5 to 6 groups. In the 5 to 6 groups, we will particularly select one group and we will study about their characteristics, and according to that we will make the product advertisement very specific for them. So this is the characteristics of market segmentation. And as a conclusion of the whole market segmentation commerce, 2 things will be discussed. First, market segmentation. So market segmentation is very important because of understanding customers deeply. And second one is, it helps companies survive and grow in competitive markets. So without the segmentation, marketing becomes guesswork. It cannot attain what it wants. It will be based on the luck or fluke. So thank you.